Why does YouTube TV keep spinning or buffering? When YouTube TV keeps spinning or buffering, it means the app is struggling to load content. This can happen due to several reasons, including internet issues, device performance, or app glitches. Common causes and solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet speed meets YouTube TV's requirements. 3 megabits per second for standard definition, 7 megabits per second for a single HD stream, and 13 megabits per second or higher for multiple simultaneous streams. For 4K content, you'll need at least 25 megabits per second per device. Unplug your modem and router for 30 seconds, then plug them back in to refresh the connection. Step 2. Test YouTube TV on another device. Open YouTube TV on a different device to determine if the issue is device-specific. If it works fine on other devices, focus your troubleshooting on the original device. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. On mobile, go to your device settings, find the YouTube TV app, and clear the app cache. On browsers, clear cookies and cache to resolve any potential conflicts. Step 4. Restart your device. Turn off your streaming device, smart TV, streaming stick, or phone. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This clears temporary glitches and frees up system resources. Step 5. Update the YouTube TV app. Check for app updates in your device's app store. An outdated app can cause loading and playback issues. Step 6. Disable background apps. Close all unnecessary applications running in the background. These consume your device's resources and slow down performance during streaming. Step 7. Adjust video quality. Lower the streaming resolution to reduce buffering. Open YouTube TV, select the video, tap the gear icon, and manually adjust the video quality. This can stop the loading spinner instantly when your network can't sustain the auto-selected quality. Step 8. Check YouTube TV server status. Visit websites like Down Detector to see if YouTube TV is experiencing widespread outages affecting all users. Step 9. Reinstall the YouTube TV app. Uninstall and reinstall the app to resolve any potential software corruption in the application files. Step 10. Contact YouTube TV support. If the problem persists after trying all the steps above, reach out to the YouTube TV support team for specialized assistance. 2026. Bonus tip. Switching from Wi-Fi to a direct Ethernet cable connection permanently fixes buffering for the majority of users, as it completely eliminates wireless signal interference.